Hey guys, today we're doing a shop tour of DD Designs here in Las Vegas, Nevada. My name is Devin Diego. I'm the owner and founder of DD Designs, where we build custom motorcycles. Let's go in and take a look at what we got going on. Welcome to the new DD Designs here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Our previous shop was a lot smaller than what we currently have. It was about 3,000 square feet. We currently have 14,000 square feet. This is our final assembly area where we have each station to each bike. We have currently 21 motorcycles in here, and this is where we do all the clean work. We have another section where we do all the custom paint, manufacturing, but all that stuff is dirty work, so we try to keep it separate. Here's where we assemble all of our customers' dream bikes, and we put the final touches on. This bike is coming from New York. We get bikes from all across the United States. What we do here is we take a stock V-Rod and we completely transform it. This is what we're known for. This is what we've done for 8 years, and we're currently working on different models to expand to and bring different designs that nobody has seen before. So the way the process works is we would source a bike for you. We would make sure it's a clean bike. We usually get under 10,000 miles. And from there, we would spec out the design that you want, the tank, the fender, the rear tires. The build time currently is about 6 to 8 months. Just because of how busy we are. We have 21 motorcycles in here. Every single one is a customer bike. On this wall, we have a few custom pieces that we show our customers when they come in. We have this stock frame that we fit our custom parts to, make sure fitment is good, and test fit everything for a customer when he comes in and specs his bike. Here we have a custom night rod tank that we built, fully carbon fiber. We got the carbon fiber tail, our custom DD Designs muscle airbox cover. Here we have a few paint samples. We primarily do matte black on every single one of our builds, but every now and then we have a customer who wants a different color. We would spray out a few different samples and they come in, or I send them the sample and they decide what color they want to go with. As you guys can see, we try to keep the shop as clean and organized as possible as we're doing all these custom builds. That way we don't lose any small little parts that are hard to find, just because the V-Rod was last produced 2017, so all these parts are harder to come by. Here we got a very rare 330 millimeter rear tire. This is the first that we've done, just because this tire is extremely hard to come by. I had to fly out to Germany and order it and get it shipped to USA. But this build will be unique, very unique. Here you can see all the parts. The back fender painted, this front radiator shroud, all the parts are here ready to go, powder coated, organized, just ready to go on the bike. Here we got a 360 millimeter build. This is as big as you can go on the V-Rod. So we got 300 millimeter, 330, and 360. So coming down the line, we got all those different sizes. This big 360 millimeter build will have the 200 millimeter wide front tire. I'm gonna show you guys the wheel. These are all custom machined. This is a design we've done before on another build. This 200 millimeter wide front triple tree kit is one of our most popular builds. At this point, we can do anything, really. We can go even wider than 200 millimeter. It's really up to the customer. We can go 360 with a 240 up front, which is 240 stock is what the night rod comes with. But if you want to go crazy, we can do it. Any body kit, we can design anything, we can 3D print, we can manufacture a lot now. So here we got the 2021 Sportster that not many people have designed parts for, but we are currently doing a lot of R&D to make this average looking bike look like one of our crazy builds. Here we got the first ever air ride suspension for this 2021 Sportster. This is gonna change the whole look of the bike and get that slam look that we all like. We plan to do custom fender, custom tank, lower the front, full custom exhaust. This thing will look completely different once we're done with it. I'm excited, really excited for this project, because this engine is very similar to the V-Rod. All these components very similar. So we're gonna give our DD Designs twist to this custom bike. This is a great example of one of our custom builds, not in black, what you guys are normally used to. This guy is coming out of Hawaii. He went with a candy brandy wine. This thing in the daylight completely changes. This customer went with the 360 millimeter rear tire, the No Limit Customs rear fender, air suspension where the fitment is really perfect on this. Stainless steel exhaust. This bike, a few more details and we'll have it finished up. This is a 2019 FXDR. We've built one previously. This is currently my personal build, so we're gonna go all out on this. We've built Stanimo's bike. His was a custom FXDR also. We have designed a lot of custom pieces for this bike. This is a miniature piece made out of resin. This is a front radiator shroud. A lot of custom one-off pieces on this bike. Here we have a 3D printed back fender. This is just a prototype that we designed. We test fit on the bike, and if we like it and it works, we go into production with it. This bike, I'm really excited to show you guys. We're gonna do a 21-inch front tire and a single-sided wheel to match my car wheels, and we'll do a full video on that one. So this bike being my personal build, it automatically gets pushed to the last in line. So not sure what the timeline is on this because we have a lot of other customers to keep happy, but stay tuned and be ready for this custom build. As you guys can see, we're gonna start working on a lot of other Harley Davidson builds. This is a Breakout. This one's gonna have a single-sided kit with this wheel, very custom wheel, and a big 23-inch front wheel. Yeah, this bike has a 131 already built, so this thing is extremely powerful. So it has the power, and now it came to DD Designs to get the looks. This build is in the final stages of completion. This build has a single-sided swing arm, full custom body kit. This one's gonna go out to California. And this bike, to me, is like a dream bike. This is what I would have wanted when I was, 5-6 years ago. This is why I started doing all of this, just to have a custom build. And now I can build these custom bikes for all my customers across the road now. So this build is an extremely high spec build. This is one of the highest specs that you can do with us. This is a single-sided. This is our custom wheel, all 3D machined. Has a custom stainless steel exhaust. This bike has it all. This is our first custom Sportster Nightster build that we're doing. We usually don't work on these smaller bikes, but when a good friend asks you to work on his bike, we're gonna give it the full DD touch to it. So this will be pretty cool little Sportster we're building. So this is one of our smaller inventory rooms. These are all our custom tanks, custom muscle tank. We keep these readily available just because all of our bikes usually get these. We have a few different components. There's a full motorcycle here, ready to get on a bike, some wheels, just extra small parts that that we would need. So this is our showroom area. We have 4 bikes ready to go, head out. This bike is going to the East Coast. This is another extremely nice build, similar to the Brutus build. We just did a full walk around video of this bike that you guys will see shortly. This has a custom exhaust. This bike is completely torn down and rebuilt. Here we have one bike heading to Texas. There's a 200 millimeter front with a 280 rear. This bike was actually one of our very first customers, and he laid down his bike and he sent it over for insurance work, and we got it ready to go for him. This bike is a 23-inch front wheel with the gloss gray paint. This custom build is heading out to Texas. And then here's another one of our high spec builds. This one's going to Canada. Another single-sided swing arm with our custom wheel, stainless steel exhaust, 180 millimeter front wheel, drag bars, custom thick drag bars. If you come closer here, you have the Moto Gadget Speedo. It's all digital. It's a very sleek design. So yeah, that's our shop here in Las Vegas, Nevada. If you guys want to come by and check it out, you just need to make an appointment with me. If you want to get a custom build built by us, just contact us. We'll put all our information here, and thanks for watching.